Captain's Catch Fish Nugget. Oh. Let's fry.
Welcome to LuvLiNes.
Madali lang siyang lutuin. Let's see. Captain's Catch Fish Nuggets with Frabel Foods fresh to technology products are out there. Freshest from the time they are harvested to when they get to your table. Okay, good for the heart, may omega-3. And cooking, pwede siya for shallow frying and deep frying. Okay. Let's fry. Right? Let's fry. Siyempre, pang prito natin corn oil. At ito yung ating piprituhin. Captain Catch Fish Nuggets. Healthy nuggets made from premium white fish wrapped in crispy golden breading. And lulutuin natin yan ng shallow frying na lang siguro. Shallow frying, dalawa siya, shallow frying or deep frying. So, shallow frying tayo ng heat oil of a cup of oil, 2 to 3 minutes. Put the frozen fish nuggets and fry on one side, 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes tayo mag-iinit. And, ano nga ba? 2 to 3 minutes until brown, remove from pan, then drain excess oil. Serve hot with barbecue sauce. Oh, may barbecue sauce sa loob. Ayan, there's the barbecue sauce inside. Ayan. Nag-init na ako ng oil. Mainit na. Mainit na siya. High. Shallow frying. Hindi siya pantay. So, ito yung pamantay natin. Itong patungan. So, 2 to 3 minutes na initin. Binuksan ko na siya. At kumukulo na. So, this is the barbecue sauce. Ayan. Barbecue sauce. Diyan na lang siya. Ayun, kumukulo na nga. Mainit na nga siya. How many pieces? Deep frying na nga to. Shallow ba o deep? Parang shallow deep na. 2 to 3 minutes. Naubos na tong fish nuggets. Kasya na siya. Ayan. On this side and on that side. Nasa shallow fry na. Madali. 2 minutes on the other side. Para na siya. Okay. Bango. It's brown. Ito na yung iba. si LuvLiNes Jr. Brown rice. Parang maputlang ano lang. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless.